done.
Ubwa nyuma y'ikitongore cy'ebigezo cya Uganda National Examination Board kushohoza ebirugiro mu kubuzubwa kwa senior ya kana omunkorensia eyo kugaba obubonero erizoba abanyishengero bayetumbwitara enkorensia egi bwa nyuma yo kubara kushoborekerwa ebishohozibwe.
Simpuga ya Shadow Minister of Education bwitwagigana Mchana Museveni najja nasoma statement wishitwa kadaga nagamba egende maso no mu debate kati bwemba mutegese curriculum empya mumba mukyusize ebintu bingi mulina bisomesa abagendo bitwala consumer wa curriculum omwana asomye naye awerera ye muzadde olwaleero buli woyita wonna buli muzadde abuuza bino batuwadde biki.
Abandi abanyishengero basima enkoreji ensya bari kugira ngo neyamba okoreka omwana ekyayine kukora.
Hatu inebe bizamwe byo kuhereza muheru nene makingira hari chenana techi makingira rigana hatu wagira ngo umwana enda kurupitinga gwire bizamu nchibanje mahisa ngo agarike umusinia wanu abo kubona bateye kumwasisinga ku gasinia wanu kumugarira ku moto gas kumuhora sinia 4 tabakaje ngo umwana agaruka umusinia 4 bamwasesinge tamwemwe ningo mwaka gumwe ngo bamuhereze max za 20%.
Konka tushemereye kunga icyo kitwatungire abo kwa mahanga gandi gakatandika kare okushomesa nkejo ngo muntu twaraheze kushoma wambugana abe nabasa kugira iki yayikorra kutari kugira ngo agume nakuraminga rera kugambire ate kikabaho birebi ecyabaho ebi ebyo byonka kandi atari kubasa kubikozesa omumagaraje nko muntu.
Na bwa nyuma speaker yashaba State Minister Joyce Muriku Kaduchu kwija akashomera ecyandiko abanyishengero aharwa kabiri nkoku ebintu bitwazibwe okuhika hakushohoza ebishohozibwe.
Madam, allow me say that this is competence-based curriculum. And assessment is based on the level of competence our students attain. And that's why we moved away from the traditional grading system to a grading system that speaks volume about the level of competence the learner attain over the years.
We'll wait for the report on Tuesday, but at the same time, you also need to engage your teachers on ground. You should have meetings with the teachers, with the DEOs, the PTA meetings, so that people get to understand.
Encouragensia new curriculum ekahinguzubwa abanyishengero omwaka gw'2020. Gashakwa Jime Muhumuza.